Hello, welcome to Raycom Academy, where we help you revise for your grade 12 examination. In today's video, we're going to discuss digestion and Holozoic nutrition. What is digestion? Digestion is the chemical and mechanical breakdown of complex food into simpler and soluble molecules that can easily be absorbed by the cells of the body. We have two types of digestion. We have mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion can also be referred to as physical digestion. Digestion converts large insoluble molecules to small soluble molecules which can be absorbed into the bloodstream. This type of nutrition, where an organism takes in complex foods such as carbohydrates and proteins, is known as Holozoic nutrition. The first stage that happens is ingestion, the taking in of food into the mouth. The mouth is also known as buccal cavity. When the food is in the mouth, food is broken down into small particles by mechanical and chemical digestion in the mouth. It must be noted that a little bit of absorption of some foods occur in the mouth. Firstly, what is the importance of mastication? Mastication, which is done by the action of teeth and jaws, mastication breaks down large particles of food into small pieces for easy swallowing. It makes it easy for digestive enzymes in saliva to penetrate the food. It makes the food slippery by mixing it with saliva for easy swallowing. Mastication also makes the food to have a large surface area for the action of enzymes, specifically salivary amylase. Let's talk about chemical digestion. Chemical digestion is done by the action of enzymes which are contained in saliva. Saliva is produced by glands. The glands include submandibular glands located near the back of the lower jaw. The lower jaw is also known as the mandible. We also have the sublingual glands situated just under the tongue and produce watery mucus. We also have the parotid glands situated in the upper part of the cheeks and produce amylase. Importance of saliva. What is its importance? Saliva. Saliva has the enzyme salivary amylase. Salivary amylase, also known as ptyalin. Ptyalin breaks down starch into maltose. Saliva softens and lubricates food for easy swallowing. Saliva also dissolves chemicals which reach the taste buds of the tongue to detect their taste. After all this digestion in the mouth, the food passes through the esophagus. Before that, the food is rolled by the tongue to form a bolus of food. Then the bolus enters the esophagus, which has two muscles, the longitudinal muscle and circular muscle. The circular muscle contracts after the bolus is in the gullet, pushing the food downwards. This is by peristalsis. Peristalsis in this case is the movement of the food bolus in a wave-like form. After the food has reached the stomach performs some functions. What is the function of the stomach? Okay, the stomach chains up the food, mixing it with gastric juices and hydrochloric acid. Gastric juices and hydrochloric acid come from the gastric glands in the wall of the stomach. Gastric juices also contain pepsin and renin. Pepsin and renin are collectively known as proteases. The stomach stores the food temporarily before further digestion. It also performs the formation of chyme. After churning, an acidic fluid called chyme is formed. Churning is the mixing of food with gastric juices. what is the function of hydrochloric acid and the mucus? Okay, let's start with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid kills bacteria and other microorganisms. It also converts the inactive enzyme pepsinogen into the active enzyme pepsin. Pepsinogen is secreted by oxyntic cells. Hydrochloric acid stops the action of salivary amylase because salivary amylase can't function well in an acidic condition, because the condition there in the stomach is acidic. Hence, hydrochloric acid provides the optimum acidic conditions for the enzyme pepsin. The pH is about 1.5 to 2.0. Let's move on to mucus. Mucus protects the stomach wall from being damaged by excess hydrochloric acid. It also prevents autodigestion by pepsinogen. Pepsin breaks down protein to peptides. Peptides are smaller protein units. We also have the enzyme renin, which converts the milk protein caseinogen into casein. After all this, after churning and the food has been mixed with gastric juice, the food is now called chyme, a thick creamish fluid. Then the pyloric sphincter muscles relax to allow the chyme to go to the duodenum. Okay, there will be a part 2 of this video. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. I have summarized notes. You can have a look at them. Okay, make sure to subscribe. Yeah, have a look at these notes. They will probably help you.